All right, everybody, you've seen it here first. Look at this. See how that's scalloped up? And then there's a shadow right below it. That's another scallop to make the design. Same with here. See the scallops? And it goes clear back to over there. You can see there's two V's right there. So the scallops start right there. Not only that, you have this thing right behind it. Look at all the details on that. It's got that tip right there, and it goes down, and it's got another tip right there, but it's actually one rock, and it goes down into there. Then I noticed up here, look how square that those rocks are. Okay? How square of a tip right that is right there. That is, it looks like a pillar of some kind. And then if you come down here, these are completely flat and square also. So this is actually a pillar right here that's fallen down. And then you can see the scalloped edges. There's a scalloped edge right here. Scallop. Where that was the pillar and that was the top, or a section of it right there. You can see this smooth piece right here. That's part of it. But I wanted to go over here and look at this a little bit closer. Yeah, you can see that that is one rock. You think that is a normal rock? Nope. And then right there you have a scalloped edge too, right there. What we're looking at is, if you've ever watched the movie The Abyss, when they go down into the bottom of the ocean and there is a whole alien life at the bottom of the ocean, and that's a whole, I mean, it looks like a whole city, right? Well, this was underneath the water at one point. See, look how V that is right there. How pointy. Everything's scalloped like that. Like this rock's even scalloped. So what we're looking at is a petrified abyss. So it was colonized at one time underneath the water. And then since the water has receded, it has turned to fossilized stone and broke off. Thing is I found the same thing in Moab, the same exact everything. I've found exactly the same thing here in Moab, Utah, and Moab, Utah looks the same as this place. It was underwater at one time too. And you know, you've heard, maybe you haven't heard, I don't know, but what they say is, since we have free will, they have to give us the truth in plain sight. So what they do is they put it in movies and then they call it science fiction. But when we're living in right now, this is why the energy here is so high and there's so many vortexes. Because it once was a living, breathing UFO city. Isn't that amazing? So that's why the energy is so vibrant here. And there's so many energy vortex swirls and everything going on around here. Because truly, it's, in a way, it's still living. And it's still giving off energy. But we are standing on petrified UFO. Isn't that awesome? And if you've never watched the movie The Abyss, maybe you ought to go check it out.